Hello students, welcome back to our class. So in today's class we are going to see product to sum and sum to product. Okay, so till now we have seen a formula like cos A plus B, cos A minus B, sin A plus B, sin A minus B, right? That is angles product, that is sum layo illa difference layo irukumbodhu adoda answers difference la illa sum la vanduchu andha mari expansion da nama paathom, right? So now what we are going to do is, so in the mari two trigonometric functions if they have given in product, how can we change that to sum or difference? Like, so see here, sin A sin B, sin A cos B, cos A sin B, cos A cos B, in the mari they have given in products. How can we change that to what's this? How can we change that to sum or difference? Okay, these are the formulas. So we are having 8 formulas. This is product to sum and that is sum to product. Okay, these are the 8 formulas. So you have to mug up this, no other go. Sin A cos B is equal to 1 by 2 into sin A plus B plus sin A minus B. Cos A sin B equal to 1 by 2 into sin A plus B minus sin A minus B. Cos A cos B is equal to 1 by 2 into cos A plus B plus cos A minus B. Sin A sin B is equal to 1 by 2 into cos A minus B minus cos A plus B. Okay, see there is a difference in the middle here and there is a difference in the angles also in every term. So you have to be very clear with the formula, you have to mug up everything without fail. Okay, so you should not change even a sign in this. If you change, the total formula will be wrong, so you will be getting the total answer, the whole sum is wrong. Okay, so you have to mug up these. These are the formulas for changing product of trigonometric function to sum of the trigonometric functions. Okay, and here sum to product. Okay, when this is given as sin theta plus cos theta, sin theta plus sin 2 theta, like this, you have to use this formula. Sin C plus D is equal to, that is changing sum or difference to multiplication. Okay, sin C plus sin D can be written as 2 into sin C plus D divided by 2 cos C plus C minus D divided by 2. Sin C minus sin D can be written as 2 cos C plus D divided by 2 cos C minus D divided by 2. Cos C plus cos D can be written as 2 cos C plus C divided by 2 cos C minus D divided by 2. Cos C minus cos D can be written as 2 sin C plus C divided by 2 sin C. Note here, this is not C minus D, it is D minus C. If you write C minus D, here only minus will be there, right? How C minus D naluduna minus veliya vandiru illaya. If you write this as C minus D, what happened? Sin of minus C minus D divided by 2. So sin of minus theta is equal to minus theta. So automatically one minus will be there. So you have to be very clear with the formula. If you are writing it as D minus C, no problem. If you are writing it as C minus D, only in this formula, that is cos C minus cos D, only in this formula you are having this term. Okay, cos sin D minus C divided by 2, only in that term we are having D minus C. It is not C minus D, it is D minus C divided by 2. So this is these 8 formulas are very important for solving the sums in this exercise. So you have to mug up all these 8 formulas without fail. Okay. Okay, now let us see the identity 3.15. 3.15. Prove that sin of 60 degree minus A sin A sin of 60 degree plus A as 1 by 4 into sin 3A. So we have to prove that. Okay. Okay, so this can be written as sin of 60 degree minus A sin of 60 degree plus A and then sin A. Okay, and then sin A. See here, this is in the format of sin A sin B, right? So we are going to change this product to sum formula. Sin A sin B. What's the formula? Sin A sin B is equal to 1 by 2 into cos A minus B minus cos A plus B. Using that formula, how can we change this? 1 by 2 into cos A minus B, 60 minus A minus 60 minus A, it becomes cos minus 2A. Cos of minus theta can be written as cos theta, right? Cos of minus theta can be written as cos theta. So here it becomes cos 2A. Okay, cos 2A minus cos a minus b, sorry, a plus b, right? A plus b. 60 minus a plus 60 plus a means a and a gets cancelled. So 60 plus 60 it is 120. So cos 120 degree into sin a. Okay, so multiply the sin a outside. Before that, what is cos 120 degree? That is cos 2 into 60 degree, right? So cos 2 into 60 degree. So you can write cos 60 degree. What's the value of cos 60 degree? It is 1 by 2. So 1 by 2 outside is there. Multiply the cos sin a outside inside. Cos 2a into sin a minus cos 120 degree is 1 by 2 and then 1 sin a inside. Okay, so 1 sin a inside. So take this 1 by 2 inside. So this will be, what you have to do is take 1 by 2 outside. Okay, so here it will be minus sin a. Here when you take 1 by 2 outside, you can write like this, 2 divided by 2. Now if you take 1 by 2 outside, 1 2 will be there. So 2 into cos 2a into sin a. So this can be, you have to change this to, this can be changed as 3 sin a minus 4 sin cube a. That is sin 3a, right? Sin 3a. Right, this is what we have to prove, right? Which is equal to 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 is 1 by 4 into sin 3a. Okay, similarly they have given identity 3.16 and 3.17, that is cos 60 degree minus a cos 60 degree plus a can be written as 1 by 4 into cos 3a. Similarly, tan 60 degree minus a tan 60 degree plus a can be written as tan 3a. Okay. So these are the 3 identities. Along with these 8 formulas, you have to mug up these identities also, these 3 identities also. Now let us solve the examples. Example 3.33. Express each of the following product as a sum or difference. So they have given the question in product. So you have to express that and sum or difference. Okay. See the first subdivision. It is sin 40 degree and then cos 30 degree. Okay, so let us take this as A and this as B. This is in the format of sin A cos B, right. So we know that sin A cos B is equal to 1 by 2 into sin A plus B plus sin A minus B. This is the formula, right. So you have to use this formula. So instead of A it is sin 40 degree, instead of B it is cos 30 degree is equal to 1 by 2 into, what is sin A plus B? Sin A plus B is 40 plus 30 is 70 degree plus sin A minus B is 40 minus 30 is 10, sin 10 degree. Okay, so the answer is 1 by 2 into sin 70 degree plus sin 10 degree. Hence we product la irundhatha we changed that into sum. Okay, see the second subdivision. It is cos 110 degree sin 55 degree. So this is in the format of cos A sin B. This can be written as 1 by 2 into sin A plus B minus sin A minus B. Okay, here A is 110 and B is 55 degree. Okay, so this is cos 110 degree sin 55 degree is equal to 1 by 2 into, what is sin A plus B? 110 plus 55 is 165 degree, sin 165 degree minus sin A minus B. 110 minus 55 is 55 degree, sin 55 degree. Okay, this is the answer. Now let us see the third subdivision. What is the third subdivision? Sin x by 2 cos 3x by 2. Okay, sin x by 2 cos 3x by 2. That is, it is in the format of sin A cos B. This can be written as 1 by 2 into sin A plus B plus sin a minus b. Okay, shall we find the answer? Sin a is x by 2, cos b is 3x by 2, which is equal to 1 by 2 into sin a plus b. X by 2 plus 3x by 2 is 4x by 2. 4x by 2 means it is 2x plus sin a minus b. That is x by 2 minus 3x by 2 is minus 2x by 2. It is minus x. So, sin of minus x is minus sin x. Okay, got the answer? 1 by 2 into sin 2x minus sin x. Okay, now let us see the next sum. Example 3.34. Okay, express each of the following sum or different as product. So, first sum la enna paathom, they have given the equation in product, we changed it into sum or difference. Here they have given the question in sum or difference, we have to change that into product. Okay, see the first subdivision. Sin 50 degree plus sin 20 degree. Okay, so this is in the format of sin c plus d, right? Sin c plus sin d. So, this the formula is 2 into sin c plus d divided by 2 cos c minus d divided by 2. Here c is 50 degree and d is 20 degree. So, sin 50 degree plus sin 20 degree is equal to 2 into sin 50 plus 20 divided by 2. 50 plus 20 is 70. 70 divided by 2 is 35 degree and cos c minus d divided by 2. 50 minus 20 is 30. 30 divided by 2 is 15 degree. Got the answer? 2 into sin 35 degree cos 50 degree. Okay, see the second subdivision. It is cos 6 degree plus cos 2 degree. So, this is in the format of cos c plus cos d. So, what is the value? Cos c plus cos d. What is the formula? It is 2 into cos c plus d divided by 2 cos c minus d divided by 2. What is c here? C is 6 theta. What is d here? D is 2 theta. Okay. Cos 6 theta plus cos 2 theta is equal to 2 into cos 6 theta plus 2 theta is 8 theta. 8 theta divided by 2 is 4 theta and then cos 6 c minus d divided by 2. That is 6 theta minus 2 theta divided by 2. 6 theta minus 2 theta is 4 theta. 4 theta divided by 2 is 2 theta again. Okay, that is the answer is 2 into, what is the answer? Answer is 2 into cos 4 theta into cos 2 theta. See the third subdivision, it is cos 3x divided by 2 minus cos 9x divided by 2. Okay, this is in the format of cos c minus cos d, which is equal to, what's the formula here? 2 into sin c plus d divided by 2 and then sin, here it is d minus c divided by 2. That is the last formula, right? So, d minus d. Here c is 3x divided by 2, d is 9x divided by 2. Okay, that is cos of 3x divided by 2 minus cos of 9x divided by 2 is equal to 2 into sin, what is c plus d? 3x divided by 2 plus 9x divided by 2 is 12x divided by 2, that is 6x. So, 6x divided by 2 is, here it is 3x, right? Automatically there is 1, 2, right? So, 12x divided, c plus d is 12x divided by 2. 12x divided by 2 is 6x, that is c plus d is 6x. So, c plus d divided by 2 is 6x divided by 2, it becomes 3x. And again sin of d minus c, d is 9x minus 2, c is 3x minus 2. So, 9x minus 3x is 6x, 6x minus 2 is 3x, d minus c is 3x. So, the answer is 3x divided by 2. So, this is the answer, 2 into sin 3x divided by 2. So, the thing is, so be clear, the thing is you have to mug up all the 8 formulas. Okay. Example number 3.35. Find the value of, so you have to find the value of sine 34 degree plus cos 64 degree minus cos 4 degree. Okay, now let us keep this as it is. Okay, now let us move on to this term, these two terms. This is cos A minus cos B. Okay, so let us expand this. Let us move on to the product. Okay, cos C minus cos D. So otherwise you can take this two, sin C plus sin cos D. You can take any two, but I am taking these two terms. Okay, so what happens is, what is cos C minus cos D value? This is equal to 2 into sin C plus D divided by 2 sin D minus C divided by 2. The last formula, right? Okay. So what happens this term? So it becomes sin 34 as it is. Let us keep as it is plus. Okay. So cos C minus cos D. 2 into sin of C plus D divided by 2. What is C here? 64. What is D here? It is 4. 64 plus 4 is 68. 68 divided by 2 is 34, right? 68 divided by 2 is 34 degree. 34 degree sin D minus C. D is 4 minus 64. Okay, it is minus 60 divided by 2. It is minus 30 degree. Right? So, sin of minus 30 degree. Sin of minus 30 degree means minus sin 30 degree. So, here it becomes minus. Okay, here it becomes minus. Now, see here. Now, take sin 34 outside. Sin 34 degree outside. So, here the balance is 1 minus here it is 2 into sin 30 degree. What is sin 30 degree? It is 1 by 2. So, this and this gets cancelled. Okay, so the answer is sin 34 degree into 1 minus 1. 1 minus 1 is 0. So, 0 into something is 0. The value is 0 here. Okay, so the value of sin 34 degree plus cos 64 degree minus cos 4 degree is equal to 0. Okay. Now, let us see example 3.36. Okay, what's the question? Show that cos 36 degree, cos 72 degree, cos 108 degree and then cos 144 degree is equal to 1 by 16. We have to prove that the answer is equal to 116. Okay. So, now let us take this. Let us keep 36 as it is, cos 36 degree and then let us split this. 72 degree can be split as 90 minus 18, that is cos 90 degree minus 18 degree and then this can be written as cos 90 degree plus 18 degree, right? 90 plus 18 is 108 and then cos 144 can be written as 180 degree minus 36 degree. Is that so? Okay. So, now we have to this term and this term, this term and this term. Okay. So, what's the answer here is, it is cos 36 as it is, cos 90 degree minus 80. So, since it is 90, you have to change this as sin 18 degree. Cos 90 degree minus 18, it happens in the first quadrant, everything is positive. Sin 18 degree. Cos 90 degree minus 18. Since it is 90, you have to change this to sin 18 degree. 90 plus 18. Right, 90 plus 18, it happens in the second quadrant. This is cos, but in the second quadrant only sine and cosecant are positive. So, one minus will be there. So, minus sin 18 degree. Okay, and again cos 180 degree minus 30 degree. It is 180. So, keep it as cos 36 degree. 180 minus 36, it happens in the second quadrant. In the second quadrant only sine and cosecant are positive. So, this becomes minus cos 36 degree. So, another one minus is there. So, it becomes plus. Okay, so cos 36 degree into cos 36 degree is equal to cos square 36 degree, sin 80 degree into sin 80 degree, it becomes sin square 18 degree. Okay, so in your book they have given the value of this. Okay, because they have asked us to find the value, so you have to mark up the value of cos 36 and sin 18. So, what is the value of cos 36 is root 5 plus 1 divided by 4 the whole square into root 5 minus 1 divided by 4 the whole square. Okay, shall we solve this now? In the denominator you will be having 16 here and here 16 here. So, 16 into 16. So, this is a plus b the whole square, this is a minus b the whole square. So, root 5 the whole square is 5 plus 1 plus 2 root 5 and there it is plus. So, this is not plus, multiplication of 5 plus 1 minus 2 root 5. Minus 2 root 5. Okay, so you have to multiply. So, before that solve this. 5 plus 1 is 6 plus 2 root 5. Okay, and here it is 6 minus 2 root 5 divided by 16 into 16. So, you can take 1 2 outside, right. So, this becomes 3 into 3 plus 2 root 5, 1 2 outside and here also take 1 2 outside, this becomes 3 minus root 5. Okay, so 1 2 means here it is 8 and this 2 means here it is 8. Okay, see here a plus b, a minus b, this is in the form. Okay, so, it is 9 minus 5 divided by 8 into 8. So, 9 minus 5 is 4 divided by 8 into 8. So, 4 1 is 4, 4 2 is 8. So, this can be written as 1 divided by 8 2 is 16. So, this is the right answer we have to prove. Hence, prove. Okay, see the next sum. Example 3.37, sin 75 degree minus sin 15 degree divided by cos 75 degree plus cos 15 degree. So, this is in the format of sin c minus d in the numerator. So, what is the formula? 2 into cos, right. So, cos c plus d divided by 2 and then sin c minus d divided by 2. So, 2 into cos c plus d is 75 plus 15, it is 90. 90 divided by 2 is 45 degree. Cos 45 degree into sin c minus d. What is c? 75 minus d is 15 degree. 75 minus 15 is 60. 60 divided by c minus d divided by 2. 60 minus divided by 2 is, it is 30. Sin 30 degree divided by, here it is cos c plus cos d. The value is 2 into cos c plus d divided by 2. Cos c plus d is cos 90 degree. C plus d divided by 2 is 90 by 2 is 45 degree. So, cos 45 degree and then cos c minus d divided by 2. So, cos, what is c minus d? 75 minus 15 is 60. 60 divided by 2 is 30 degree. Okay, see here this 2 and 2 gets cancelled, cos 45 and cos 45 gets cancelled. So, either you can use this method, sin theta divided by cos theta is tan theta, tan 30 degree. So, the answer is 1 divided by root 3. Otherwise, you can use another method, sin 30 degree value is 1 by 2, cos 30 degree value is root 3 divided by 2. 1 by 2 divided by root 3 divided by 2 is 1 divided by root 3. So, in either way you can get the answer. Okay. See, on the next sum, example 3.38 is going to be the assignment for you. Complete the assignment properly. Let us meet in the next class. Thank you, students.